We are talking about PACES project, which aims to develop accessibility centers in some Egyptian and Morocco universities. This accessibility center aiming to support students with special needs, students with disability, so that they can properly be like the other students in their study and progress in the university, and also be well prepared to the employment market after graduate. Also, during the project, there is a very good thing, which is the European partners that are participating in that project are giving the Egyptian partners, the Egyptian universities, trainings in how to achieve the goals of this project and deal with special needs students, so that those partners who will take these trainings can train the staff in each university, so that they can manage these accessibility centers and deal with students. So far, we are progressing with these trainings so that they could be done at the end of the project. Also, a lot of meetings and workshops are being held for disseminating this, and a pop-up will be done so that we can draw the awareness of the institutes that are dealing with special needs students in all fields to what we are doing.
I am the co-director of the Centre for Post-Digital Cultures in Coventry University, and also director of the PACES Project. And this is an EU project funded by the EU Commission for capacity building. So we chose Egypt and Morocco because we've worked with them before on our swing project, and our swing project was very successful in setting up accessibility centres. We have some great partners, and we've added new partners to this team. I like working with partners in Egypt and Morocco because they are so enthusiastic and so friendly, and they really want to make a difference for their students with disabilities. So we've got a little bit of way to go. We're only halfway through, but already we've made big changes in the universities involved.
My name is Kartasidou. I'm coming from Greece, University of Macedonia in North Greece, and I'm Associate Professor on Special Education at the Department of Educational and Social Policy. We are partners in this project, and we are leading one package 3 that has to do with the training. We have prepared the handbook for the training. We have trained the trainers, this means the staff from partners in Europe, in Egypt and Morocco. And now they will start the training in Egypt and Morocco, which means these are going to be students and with and without disabilities and the employers. Of course, the training is going to be evaluated at all stages. Also, the European training that we have done in Slovenia, in Egypt, it will be done also in Coventry and Spain. And of course, the evaluation of the training will be afterwards, as we have finished the training here in Egypt and Morocco. We are invited to be part of this project. It was a follow-up project from another project that has been run already from Coventry for Egypt here, and Morocco has been added, and we were invited to participate also. So I believe it's a very important project for these countries, and of course it's always nice visiting countries in Egypt, like Egypt and Morocco, where we are feeling more similar as Greece.
is Luis Gomez Enriquera. I work at the University of Alicante, and my institution is responsible of Work Package 5 within the PACES project. Work Package 5 is about creating the student support schemes, peer-to-peer support schemes for students with disabilities. There are 3 tasks within this work package. The first one is about creating a protocol to frame these student support schemes. And then, after this protocol, each institution, 8 institutions from Morocco and Egypt, will create their own plans to frame their student support scheme. Some of them, or the majority of them, have already in place some kind of voluntary scheme. So with these work packages, with this work package 5, we are improving these systems which are already in place at each institution.
Today I talked about the importance of building networks. So I tried to explain the benefits of networking for employers. Of course, I presented the Employability Charter, in which I tried to explain the duties of employers and the benefits they can draw from employing people with disabilities. I also talked about the different roles of the Accessibility Center in recruiting employers, and of course preparing students for the open and the hidden job market, the documents they need. I also provided a list of employers who are already involved in recruiting students with disabilities. And of course we will have plans for the future as well to recruit more employers and work together on programs and see how we can satisfy their needs and at the same time satisfy the needs of students with disabilities.
I'm starting this project from the beginning. I'm one of the leaders of the project. I'm leading the work package 7 dissemination, and there are main activities we had during the last 1.5 years. We are now in the middle of the project. We have designed a website, Facebook, and search games to contact directly to the community here in Egypt. Also, I'm responsible for the Moroccan universities, who's the second country with us working in the same project.
We're approaching to the end of Work Package 2, within which we try to establish or upgrade existing accessibility centers for students with disabilities in Morocco and Egypt.
We are working now to build accessibility centres which can be moved around the countries, so we can share all of the good practice and the knowledge that we're gaining from each other as part of the project into other places within the countries which may not otherwise have access to the kind of technology and experience that they would otherwise have.
The establishment of an accessibility center in the university campus is going to be very helpful for them, for facilitating things, for making life easier. We are waiting for the rest of the equipment that will be so beneficial for the students, so useful and so helpful at the same time.